During the 2026 World Cup group stage match between Portugal and Uzbekistan, Cristiano Ronaldo became the first player to score a goal in 6 editions of the World Cup. To mark the occasion, Nike has prepared 2 gold pairs from the Mercurial Superfly series, the Superfly 1 RGN and the current Superfly 11. The limited edition Mercurial Superfly 11 CR7 Gold Scorpion was created to honor Cristiano Ronaldo's latest World Cup milestone, a boot that focuses specifically on one of the greatest achievements of his career. Stay here to discover all the details behind these new Mercurials. The new Nike Mercurial Superfly 11 CR7 Gold Scorpion. As with handfuls of other swoosh-sponsored athletes in the global tournament this summer, the 41-year-old Portuguese superstar has been wearing the pink breakout Mercurial Superfly 11 football boots in the 2026 World Cup. He scored 2 goals in the innovative pair against Uzbekistan. Some spectators might have been wondering why CR7 hadn't gotten his own special pair of boots like Lionel Messi and his Adidas F50 El Ultimo Tango project. But it seems Nike was waiting for Cristiano Ronaldo to set a record no other player had achieved before in order to reveal the golden Mercurial Superfly duo. What's particularly impressive about the Portuguese athlete's feat is that he's scored all 9 of his World Cup goals so far while wearing the Nike Mercurial franchise of boots. This achievement is special because CR7 has long been synonymous with the speed, goal scoring, and lethalness associated with the line. Players like Kylian Mbappé and Vinny Jr. may be the line's modern faces, but Cristiano Ronaldo helped lay the groundwork post-Ronaldo Nazario. Ronaldo is the first player to score in 6 FIFA World Cup competitions, and this release acts as part 2 of Nike's 2-part tribute to him. Departing from a traditional player-exclusive style, this release fully embraces the accomplishment, marrying the latest Mercurial Superfly platform with touches that nod to Nike football heritage. Metallic gold overlays most of the upper, interrupted by white through the forefoot, tongue, laces, and collar lining. A large red swoosh is featured down the side, and matching red shows under the boot through the translucent sole plate. Adding to the details, Ronaldo's CR7 logo is visible towards the rear, complemented by Superfly branding and gold hardware underfoot. Production is limited to 2,026 pairs worldwide, with the number referencing the year Ronaldo extended his World Cup scoring run to 6 tournaments. The Nike Mercurial Superfly 11 CR7 Gold Scorpion releases June 27, 2026, exclusively through CR7. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Foot Gear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.